What's up, guys? We are back. Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How we doing out there? Hope you're having a great day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Hey, we're back with a quick one and another one. Back to talk about a safe list, particular company or program that I've been using for a few years. They've got some updates. Want to go over that with you. If you have not checked out Herculist, you can get a free account, absolutely free account. And guess what? You can earn commissions with a free account. All right. So anyway, go here to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Come all the way down the page. You see this little image here, submit free ads now. Click it, get your free account. So I want to go over that, the new updates that they got going on, right? So they've got this new program called the Herculist Traffic Legends, our most powerful package ever. Members are already using it to drive a flood of traffic to their websites and ads, and they give you a link where you can promote this thing, guys, right? And you can earn $100 commissions per sale. Huh, really? Yes, they have this. All right. So I've been using them for some years. I'm able to send out emails to real people, no robots, real people like you and I. All right. And I've gotten sales that way. Okay. Of course, I can't make any income claims, no guarantees of what you're going to make. If you're going to make anything, I'm just sharing a tool that I've been using. And hey, I love the platform, and they've got some new updates. So this is a new package that they've got. I've ordered solo ads from them before. This is a new traffic package, so you can go check it out. I'm going to put the info in the description about it. So I want to just touch bases with you on that. And then they also have another addition, a new ad that I didn't talk about. I think we got that a couple weeks ago. So anyway, I want to go over that with you guys. So we go in. As you can see here, I am a gold member. All right, lifetime gold member right here, where I paid I think it was $39 or $49 for the year, all right, to be a gold member. And I can send out emails every day, and actually every hour. I can literally send an email out to their members, all right? So if we come down, see, I think when I got in, it was $39, so that was years ago. So you get a lifetime gold membership, guys, now for $49. All right, so yeah, you can join for free, but you can become a lifetime member where you can send out emails to over 300,000 people versus the free membership you can only send to 1,000. Okay, so that's some of the differences there. And I can send out every hour an email, literally. Okay, so that has its privileges to be a gold member. All right, so anyway, they've got this new deal here, this Legends deal. So let me show you this thing. Hang on. All right, they're saying it's a limited launch special. Traffic Legends, the most powerful one-time traffic package ever released. Saturate the Herculist ecosystem. Everything Herculist has to offer in one massive bundle. Plus, you're able to earn $100 commissions per sale for everybody that purchases it with your link, right? Quick setup, stacked exposure, no recurring fees. It's a one-time payment. Affiliate ready, earn $100 per sale. All right, so what you get to send your blast out, right? This is a blast, an email blast they're talking about. But here, what you're going to get with this package, you're going to get 24, oh my goodness, 140,000 contact solo ads. Your offer sent repeatedly to our 140,000 plus contact email list for maximum exposure. You're going to get 6,000 prime ad visits. Your site showcased in premium spots across the Herculist for thousands of targeted views. By the way, this program has been around since 1998, this Herculist system, okay? So they know what they're doing, all right? Now, 24, oh wow, submissions to 22,000 buyer list blasts. Multiple submissions to our private list of 22,000 proven buyers who are ready to spend. Okay? Again, no guarantees that you're going to make sales, guys. So don't say, oh, you said I'm going to make some sales. This is traffic. You got to get traffic. I don't care what business you're in, you must have traffic. So this is a traffic package. All right, and they're telling you what it entails. All right, so you also get 36 mega mail submissions, a relentless series of mega mail sends to keep your offer in front of fresh prospects. You're going to get 18-hour login iBlast. So when people log in to Herculist, that's what they're talking about. They're going to automatically see your ad. Members logging in during your iBlast window are routed straight to your website. No ad is needed. You just give them your link and boom. So when people log in, they're going to automatically see your ad within that block of time, 18 hours. 45 submit list submissions, repeated exposure to over 13,000 smart list members who are used to seeing and acting on offers. So they're going to put your ad in front of buyers, okay? 45 Herculist Pro submissions, extra firepower from our Pro segment, giving your link repeated visibility with serious marketers. 60 blur mailer keys. Use these keys with the regular mailer and Herculist power blurb. So what they do is we have access, again, as a free member, you can blast to send your email to 1,000 members a day. I will be able to send mine to over 300,000. All right, and we get to do that every day, a regular mailer, but they're saying they're going to give you 60. Okay, so you come with one, but now you're going to get 60 that you can send out. All right, which is that's a steal. Then you can earn $100 per referral sale by promoting this Traffic Legends as an affiliate. Earn $100 each time someone orders through your link. All right, so limited time bonus, free lifetime Herculist Gold membership. Already gold. I'm already gold. Claim a second lifetime gold Herculist account free and double your Herculist exposure. All right, pretty cool. $49 for lifetime, guys, to be a gold member, so that you can send out over 300, send one email blast to over 3,000 people. Okay. Every hour of the day, if you're a gold member. If you're a free member, you can only send one email to 1,000 people a day. So here's the promo they have for this Traffic Legend. Lock in everything above for a one-time price. If you pick these pieces off the menu one by one, you'll be looking at just over $1,300 in normal cost for all the different solo ads that they were showing that I broke down to you, right? That's what they're saying. Traffic Legends lets you grab the entire stack in one move for only $199. All the solo ads, the mega mail sends, everything I read to you. No drip, no subscription. This is a one-time stack traffic event you control. Affiliate ready to earn $100 commissions paid to you within hours every time someone else grabs Traffic Legends through your link. They'll pay you via Cash App, Zelle if you're in the U.S., and they'll do crypto if you're into crypto as well. Okay? So that's how that works. That's how you'll get paid. All right, perfect if you want to hit the Herculist ecosystem hard without babysitting a bunch of separate orders. All right, so they're giving you that whole stack in one package. All right, so that's one of their new deals, and you'll be able to go into your affiliate back office of Herculist and get your link to promote this, guys. All right, then there's another update that they've made as well. Let me show you that one, another traffic source. So this is a traffic source. Okay, that's what this is. I use the ad mailer every day. All right, so let's look at their other update that they made for the affiliates. Check it out. All right, and their other update right here is their new traffic bomb link. So now we also have a link, which we didn't before. The traffic bomb is another traffic package. It's only $39, guys, and you get so much with that. They've decided to add a link for us for that. See right here, traffic bomb. Look at everything you get as far as solo is concerned. 3-hour iBlast, 22,000 submission to 22,000 buyers list submission, 1,000 prime ad exposures, 4 mega mail submissions, 20 smart list submissions, 10 blurb mailers. Another great package for $39. All right, so they've decided to add that to give us a link so we can promote it. See, here's my link right here. So now we can earn commissions on this as well. Okay, here's the main link, but here is this one. So another traffic package, if you will. All right, and you can earn commissions with this. This is the Herculist traffic bomb. Whoa, they got a promo. Look, it pops up. They've always got some. They know how to market, I'm telling you. See, that's a promo that pops up. So it's the ultimate Herculist ad package. Your ad blasted out to these powerhouse lists. So this package is only $39, and it goes to what I just read to you. You're gonna get 120,000 contact email submissions. Okay, all the way down. Just read what it's got. 3-hour eye blast, the whole 9. And then here we can earn commissions on that traffic package, that traffic bomb package, up to 50%. So it's 50% if you're a gold member, but even as a free member, I think it's 25, maybe something like that. So you get paid to promote the Traffic Bomb affiliate page. You got a page. This is the page right here. You'll get a page like this. This one's coded to me. You have your own page. Proven sales page, repeat buyers, no customer support needed. Fast commissions. Your personal Traffic Bomb affiliate page earns you up to 50% commissions on every sale made through your personal affiliate link. Start earning immediately with our proven system. And I've never had any issues with my commissions being paid out. Okay? So, submit your ad once, we do the rest. So you're going to submit an ad. Let's say you want to purchase this thing for $39. Get traffic to your capture page and start getting leads, right? So there's no setup hassle. We handle every delivery for you. One-time payment, no monthly, no yearly. Even if you can't afford the $39, they got what they call a half. $25. You can get this package for half. Okay, but the $39, you get to maximize all of these that they're going to send out. Okay, so now we can earn on this. This wasn't before. It was just a service that they provided, and we could buy into it, but now we can get paid on this package if we promote it and someone purchases from our link, and you can do the same. So get your free account. I'm going to put the link in the description. All right, so go here, coffeeandcoins.info. You can click right here where it says Herculist, and or I'm going to put the link in the description for both of these. All right, for this package as well. If you just want to order and you say, hey, I don't want to promote anything, I don't want to be an affiliate, I just want the service, that's fine. If you don't want to create an account and get and promote it and earn commissions, that's fine too. So I'm going to put both links in the description, and you can check them out. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. On your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.